I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by entering the give effect command. Type /effect give followed by the target. Explain the two key parts, duration in seconds and amplifier as a number. You need cheats or operator permissions so the game accepts the command. Once typed, press enter to apply night vision immediately. Make sure to use correct namespace, Minecraft night vision. If you want to affect everyone, use at A. For nearest player, use at P. This first step gets the potion effect active right away. Once done with the basic command, customize duration and strength to control how long and how intense night vision is. You specify duration in seconds, for example 300 equals 5 minutes, an amplifier where 0 is baseline. Higher numbers increase potency. For more advanced use, run /execute to target players in a region or with certain scores. Make sure to include Minecraft, night vision, and valid numeric values. If you need permanent effect, use a very large number, but consider performance and gameplay balance. To finish, combine commands for automation. Use command blocks, functions, or a repeating /execute to reapply effects on respawn. Explain why. Some servers clear effects on death or on world change, so automation preserves night vision. Make sure to test your syntax. Incorrect namespace, extra spaces, or invalid numbers will fail silently. If things look odd, you can remove the effect with /effect clear target Minecraft, night vision, and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: verify you have permission. Lack of operator rights is the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.